Hello students. Today we'll first discuss the rest of the string functions mentioned in the syllabus. Let's start with the length function. The length function takes one string as an argument and returns the total number of characters in the given string. Let's understand with the help of an example. Select length hello. The total number of characters in a given string is known as its length. So, the given string hello has 5 characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hence, the length of the string hello is 5. Let's see the output. The answer is 5. Let's move on to the next function, which is the substring function or the mid function. The mid or the substring function have the same functionality. Both the functions take 3 arguments. The first argument is a string. The second and third arguments are numbers. These functions return specified number of characters from a particular position in the given string. Let's understand with the help of an example. Select substring informatics, 4, 2. The first argument is a string informatics. The second argument 4 represents the starting position from where the characters will be extracted. The third argument represents the total number of characters to be extracted from the given starting position. I hope you all remember what is meant by position. Each character in a given string can be accessed with the help of a unique number called the index number. The index numbers start from 1 in MySql. The index number of the first character is 1, the index number of the second character is 2, and so on. These index numbers represent the position. So we can say the character at the first position has the index number 1. The character at the second position has the index number 2. The character at the third position has the index number 3, and so on. Starting from position 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 2 characters will be extracted, so the answer would be OR. Let's see the final output. The output shown is OR. Let's change the example. Suppose I write 3 and 5. So we take it this way. From the 5th position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is R. From this position, 3 characters will be extracted. So the answer should be RMA. Let's check the output. Yes, it is correct. The answer is RMA. Let's take another example. Select substring informatics, -4, 3. -4 means from the right side of the string, move 4 characters back. From that particular position, extract 3 characters. So, from the right side of the string, that is the end of the string, move back 4 characters 1, 2, 3, 4. From this position, 3 characters will be extracted TIC. Let's see the output, and yes, the answer is TIC. Let's take one more example. Select substring informatics, -4. In this example, only 2 arguments have been passed to the substring function. That means the third argument is optional. So in this case, -4 means from the right side of the string, move 4 characters back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From this particular position, extract all the characters till the end of the string. because the third argument, which represents how many characters should be extracted, has not been written. From this particular position, all the characters will be extracted till the end of the string. So the answer will be TICS. Let's check the output. Yes, and the output is TICS. Let's take another example using a table. So we write select name, substring, name, 3, 2 from student. Starting from the third position, two characters will be extracted from the values of the name column in the student table. Let's understand this. From the first value, starting from the third position, that is K, two characters will be extracted. From this value, again starting from the third position, two characters will be extracted, that is IT. I hope you have understood the substring function. The mid function also works in the same manner. Let's just change the name of the function to mid. And you see the output remains the same. Instead of writing substring, we can also write substr and the output remains the same. Let's move on to the next function, the ltrim function. This function takes one string argument and removes leading spaces from a given string. What are leading spaces? The spaces which are present at the beginning of the string, that is, the left side of the string, are known as leading spaces. Let's understand with the help of an example. Select ltrim, and inside quotes I give some extra spaces, then hello. These spaces which are present at the beginning of the string, that is the left side of the string, are called leading spaces, and the ltrim function will remove these leading spaces. So in the output there are no spaces at the beginning of the string. Similar to this function, we have another function called the rtrim function. The rtrim function removes trailing spaces from a given string. Trailing spaces are the spaces which are present at the end of the string, that is, at the right side of the string. So, after hello, we give some extra spaces. So this string has leading spaces as well as trailing spaces. But the rtrim function will remove only the trailing spaces. So you can see the leading spaces have not been removed, but the spaces which are present at the end of the string, that is at the right side of the string, have been removed. The ltrim and the rtrim functions will not remove embedded spaces. Embedded spaces are the spaces which are present in between the string. Let's take an example. Hello space world. This space is called an embedded space. The spaces at the beginning of the string are called leading spaces, and the spaces at the end of the string are called trailing spaces, and the spaces in between are called embedded spaces. The embedded spaces will not be removed by the ltrim and the rtrim functions. Let's see the output. You can see the embedded space was not removed, but the ltrim function removed the leading spaces which were present at the beginning of the string.